everyone. Today we learn the soils of India. Okay, chapter 8, soils of India. This is our last lesson, the second last lesson. Okay, see, what is the soil? You know that the soil. Okay, the uppermost layer of the surface of earth is known as soil. So what is a soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth surface. Okay, soil is the uppermost layer of the earth surface, that is called as soil. This is also called a topsoil. The uppermost layer is also called a topsoil. It forms on the surface of the land. See, soil is a mixture of minerals, water, air, and the decaying remains of plants and animals. So, soil is the uppermost layer of the earth surface, that is topsoil or soil. Soil is the mixture of a water, air, minerals, and the decaying parts of or decaying remains of plants and animals. Clear? See, next one is the formation of a soil. How does the soil formed it? See this one. Soil takes a very long time to form. Yes, soil formed, it takes a millions of years, not a 2-3 years. It takes a millions of years to form a soil. See, large rocks due to wind, water, and sunlight are broken down into smaller pieces. Underline this: large rocks due to wind, water, and sunlight are broken into smaller pieces. Okay, the large rocks are divided into smaller pieces because of water, because of sunlight, because of water, because of wind. The large rocks broken into smaller pieces, and with the time these pieces are further broken down into smaller pieces, okay, which form sand, silt, and the different types of soil. See, first the large rocks broken into small pieces. After that, further they broken into smaller pieces of which form of a sand, silt, and the different types of soil. So, how is the soil formed? The large rocks broken into small pieces due to wind, air, and sunlight with the time way, and then they further broken into small pieces. Okay, in the form of a sand or silt and the different types of soil. Okay, but this is a process that takes millions of years. This is a process. It will not take a 1, 2, 3 days or 2, 3 months. It takes a millions of years. The large rocks broken into small pieces, then it become a soil. It takes a million of years. Okay, see the next paragraph. Why is soil such an important natural resources? The last lesson we learned that the soil is an natural resources. Soil is an important natural resource. So why it is called a soil is a important natural resource? Why it is called? This is underlined. This is because plants, trees, and crops require soil to grow. Why it is soil is called a important natural resources? Because the plants, trees, and grow, they can require a soil. Okay, the plants, trees, and crops require to grow what they want? The soil. Okay, plants, crops, and trees, they want to grow, they want soil. So it is called, the soil is called the important natural resources. See, we have learned in the previous chapter that soil is a renewable resources also. We learned the soil is a renewable resources. It is an inexhaustible resources. So see the last paragraph. Soil differs from place to place, but all types of soil are composed of particles of clay, sand, and silt in varying quantities. See, soil differs from place to place. है ना. The soil is it is varies it is a different soil in a place to place. In a mountain area it is very different, and in a coastal area different, and in a desert area it is different, in a plateaus it is different. So place to place the soils are varying. Okay, see, but all types of soils are composed of particles of clay, sand, silt in varying quantities. But the components of the composed of the particles of the particles are the soil is include the particles are clay, sand, and silt that are in a varying quantities, okay, included in the soil. See, the nature of soil depends upon the rocks. Yes, the soil is, we'll learn that the soil is different from place to place, but the nature of the soil is depend on the rocks, which rocks are broken into small pieces. Okay, so the nature of the soil is depend on the rocks. And see, some types of soils are very fertile while others are not, depending upon the location of the region. Some types of we learned the different types of soils are there. Some types are very fertile, but some types are not. They are depending upon the region. Desert region, mountain region, plateau region, plains region, and the coastal region. Okay, the nature is different from the different region. Okay, so when soil is fertile, crops grow well. We know that when the soil is fertile, the crops are grow very well. In places where the soil is not fertile, farmers use manure or fertilizer to make the soil more fertile. Suppose in the area, some areas are the soils are not fertile. In that cases, the farmers add the manure and fertilizers to grow the crops. Okay, क्या करेगा? Oh, the soils are not fertile. Suppose that region, in a desert region, the soils are not fertile. In that case, what the farmers do it? The farmers add the fertilizers and manure. Clear? Okay.